Good morning to all. Myself M. Malati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, NGM College. Today the class is about northwest corner method in computer based optimization technique. The northwest corner rule is a method for computing a basic feasible solution in the transportation problem. The name northwest corner is given because the basic variables are selected from the northwest corner, that is top left corner. There are 3 steps to followed in northwest corner method. The first step is find the northwest corner cell of the transportation table, allocate as much as possible to the selected cell and adjust the associated amount of supply and demand by subtracting the allocated amount. Next step is cross out the row or column with 0 supply or demand. If both a row and column have a 0, cross out randomly row or column. The third step is if one cell is left uncrossed, cross out the cell and stop. Otherwise, go to step 1. This is the example problem for northwest corner method. Here we have supply and demand value, 3 sources and 3 demands. Here we start from northwest corner or extreme left corner of the matrix. Here the top corner of the matrix cell is AD. So, we select the cell AD. Then in this problem, start from the northwest or extreme left corner of the matrix. In this problem, the top left corner is the cell AD. So, we select the AD cell. Then select the minimum value of supply and demand. The minimum of 50, 20 is minimum is 20. So, select the minimum value 20, then allocate this minimum value to AD cell. Then cross out the column. Then subtract the value 20 from 50, then write 30 instead of 50. Next we have 2 column and 3 rows. Here the topmost corner is the cell AE. Here the minimum value is 30. So, allocate the value 30 to AE cell, then subtract the value 30 from 95. So, write the value 65 instead of 95, then cross out the column because cross out the row because the row is minimum here. Next we have 2 row and 2 column only. Here the top left corner is the cell BE. So, next select the minimum value 40, 65, the minimum value is 40. So, allocate the 40 value to AE, then cross out the row. Then subtract the value 40 from 65, then write the 25 instead of 65. Next we have 1 row and 2 column here. Here the top left corner is the cell AE. Select the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 25. Allocate the 25 to CE cell. Then subtract the value 25 from 60. Write the 35 value instead of 60. Then cross out the column. Next we have 1 row and 1 column. The value is the minimum value same as supply and demand value. So, allocate the 35 into the cell CF. Next we have to calculate the total cost. The total cost can be computed by multiplying the units assigned to each cell with the concerned transportation cost. So, the total cost is calculated as 20 into 5 plus 30 into 8 plus 40 into 6 plus 25 into 9 plus 35 into 6. So, the total cost as 20 into 5 plus 30 into 8 plus 40 into 6 plus 25 into 9 plus 35 into 6. So, the total cost is rupees 1015 only. You all understand? Thank you.